Hi guys, welcome to another episode of VTEC Academy. You're about to get schooled. This is going to be a quick little video. We've got a project car that's actually been sitting here for a while. We're getting ready to work on it a little bit. This is the third generation Fit. What we're going to be doing is installing this motor right here. This motor is the L15B7. You can find it in the Civic Si, you can find it in the Civic EX. This particular one's manual transmission, just like the Si. We're going to be making mounts for this to install it into the third generation Fit and get it all running so we can get it out to do a few track days, maybe some drag races, stuff like that. Anyway, before we do the installation of this motor, I want to show you something else. I did this first, and I'm doing this because everybody's going to ask me about it. This is a K-swap in the third gen Fit. This particular K-series engine is out of the second generation TSX. It's basically the same motor, K24Z, that you would find in a Civic Si from 2012 up. Also, it's SI transmission. We decided to go ahead and make mounts for this because they're very, very similar to those of the second generation Fit or the C or Z. So I just wanted to show you what was going on here. The kit uses Hasport's three-piece mounts. If you look over here, this is the common mount we use on the EK K-series kits. There's a bracket here. It's dual height. That's in order to keep the head at the same height. That way, if anybody makes a header for this, the header is going to fit the same for K20 or K24 in this particular car. This does have the single outlet exhaust. Also, if you look over here on this side right here, you can see a bracket that's very similar to the one on the C or Z. Again, dual height with the same mount we use on the C or Z. Just to kind of talk a little bit about this engine. This engine has a slightly different ECU than the earlier K-series models. As a matter of fact, this plug right here is compatible with the 2012 Civic Si plug. There's just a few changes that need to be made to it in order for it to work with the 2012 Civic Si. You could possibly run the earlier style motors in it, but I would only suggest that if you're doing something along the lines of a race car or something like that, because you are going to wind up losing probably some of the function of your dash and things of that nature. The engine that comes with this, of course, is an Earth Dreams engine, so it's direct injection, but the fuel pump should still provide plenty of fuel pressure for this particular engine, and it should be totally tunable with the 2012 Civic Si computer. Let's lift it up here real quick, and we'll take a look at the mount on the rear of the car. Okay, quick look at the bottom mount. You can see it uses actually the GERR, which is the stock replacement rear mount we make for this generation and the generation before Fit. It also fits on the C or Z. Then we just made a special bracket that is hangs off the back of the engine that attaches to. And that torque mount will control all the engine movement on this particular engine. So as you can see, it's actually a really simple setup. I'm going to go ahead and put these mounts into production, so we should have them out in a few weeks. Well, like I said, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our L15B7 and we are going to install in this car and get it ready to get out there and see what it'll do. Anyway, thanks for joining me here on VTEC Academy. This project car will be done within the next month, and I am super anxious to see how it does. If you like what you see, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below, and if you click on the bell, you'll get notifications anytime there's a new video. Head on over to the VTEC Academy website if you get a chance, and buy a t-shirt from us. That helps support us so we can bring you more project cars. Anyway, thank you guys very much for joining me.